lovelies. I have been wanting the Switch for a little while now. It was sold out everywhere. I really wanted to get it, but it's quite expensive, so I wasn't really sure if I really wanted to buy it, and then eventually I decided that I wanted to do it. You don't know how freaking happy I'm about it. Let's open up the packages and see if my hipster heart can get a heart attack. I really don't want that to happen, by the way. This is package number 1. So my Switch Lite is in there, and this is package number 2. Don't trust me with this, people. Okay, let's see. How do you open this? I don't even need them. I'm so sorry. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god. I can't believe it. What have I done? I have spent so much money on this with my broke student ass. I have been trying to decide which color I wanted to take, and eventually I of course bought the coral one because yeah, I just got a hipster heart attack. My boyfriend told me to buy the blue one, but since I am reselling this one, because I am going to keep it for about a year, and when my boyfriend and I are going to live together, we are going to buy like a big Switch. I bought Animal Crossing in a downloadable version, so there's no unboxing of that one. Let's start with the second box. This I can open with my... Oh. Okay, I can use them. Ooh, it cuts. There's already a hair of me on this box. I have been holding it like for 2 seconds. That's what she said. I'm going to reuse this. Oh my god, it's so fucking cute. It's kind of ironic that I bought Animal Crossing for so much money and a Switch to play it, and then when I'm playing it, Nook is going to steal more money from me that I don't even have. Just to get my fake money stolen, I spent real money. If that isn't adulthood. And then we got adult stuff going on. I'm not going to show that. Is it me, or when you open a box, you really want to go sit in that box? That's probably just me. This one is so satisfying. Look at it, I mean... This is how it's packed. It is so freaking cute. Wow. Oh my god. I don't know. I think it's heavier than a Nintendo 3DS. And it's definitely a lot bigger. I can already feel a lot going on here. This one gives a little click, which is kind of really satisfying. The weird things you enjoy sometimes. Let's plug it in, wait an hour, and I see you in less than a second. Bye. Animal Crossing is downloading, guys. Be careful, the screensaver does not come with your Switch Lite. I want to keep my Switch Lite in the best condition possible, so that's why I bought a case. It's really soft on the inside. It's so soft. It's like a little bed for my Switch. Guys, this is not normal anymore. There we go. He just gave me a phone. He brought me to this island. And now I have to freaking pay? Oh no. Oh my freaking god! This is my island, by the way, so please be friends with me, because I don't want to be stuck in isolation on this island with him.